Hello, I'm Hugh from All Preparation Equipment. Today we're going to go over some tips and tricks on how to set up your DSM400 floor grinder to get the best results on site. Before we get started though, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel if you haven't already. The DSM400 is ideal for prep work up to 70 square metres, which is similar to a double garage. It is also excellent for high spot removal. Before setting up the DSM400, always ensure the power is unplugged and turned off at the mains. So this is a 3-phase one, which is actually a 5-pin. Flip the machine back. Also got adjustable handles here, so when you're changing the tooling you have the handles back in the air. So once it's back, it can take up to 12 knock-on shoes, but usually we would run 6 or 9 shoes. So when you install the shoe, you fit the skinny edge of the wedge in first. For 6 shoes, fit them on every second slot. And it's a good idea to give them a tap to ensure they're in place and not going to come out. Once you've fit the shoes, adjust the shroud so it is level with the machine, and then level the grinder using the dial to raise the back axle so that it is level with the diamonds. And it's a good idea to check this during operation. Now, to start using the machine, you put the handles back to a comfortable position and plug the power in. It's also got a ripcord here for safety. You can put around your hand so that if it pulls off, it turns the grinder off. When starting the machine, always ensure you've got the vacuum connected and that the dust shroud is level with the machine, with the floor. And always start the grinder in the air, take the weight of the tooling off, and then you press the green button to turn on. To turn it off, you either press the red button or pull the ripcord out, and that turns it off immediately. You've also got the handles at the front here for lifting up stairs or on and off your vehicle, and the removable weights at the front which slide off the pins. These can be adjusted depending on how much grinding pressure you need, and also for taking upstairs. There is minimal maintenance required on the Schwamborn floor grinders, but it is worth periodically checking the depth of material left on your diamond shoes. Grinding through to the backing plates will likely result in damage to the floor and also the machine. As always, make sure you're wearing the appropriate PPE when working with any machinery, and for more in-depth safety information, refer to the manual. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button before you go. If you're interested in any of the gear we showed you today, call us on 1800 422 992. Catch you on the next one.